many people? Excuse me, Mr. Man. Dude, I do it. I do that.
Bakit nilabahan na nila, Dad?
Ewan ko. Baka nandun. Kanina siguro. Ano nakita mo yung kanina na ano? Yan. May breakfast dyan bukas. Kape. Coffee.
That's so good though.
Ooh. Grabe ang init. Alas 8 na, atas 9 na dito, mga 110 o 105 degrees. Dami naliligo, mami, oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ito na tayo kanina.
Oo. Ha? Ah, dito? Let's go! Maglibot-libot tayo. Ikutin natin tong Vegas, Las Vegas, Nevada.
Let's wait 3 minutes away.
Hmm?
I should have left my phone. You stop now.
Let's go.
Here we go.
This is our last night.
It's not night yet.
Saan ba yung palabas?
Let's get
Ano yung palabas namin? Dito, doon? Dito? Ano sabi ng mapa? Ito daw.
Yeah, we just Nakasan mo kasi yung mapa mo. Ayan ka na naman. Hindi ka na naman ano.
Ah, kasi yung ano naka naman naka
Wala na naman tayo.
Oh no, Dad! It's because of the charger.
No, it's not.
It is because it does that. It does that to even to my phone. It won't let me have volume.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it thinks that it's off. Like when I use that charger, I can't hear anything. Can you play music? Can I play music?
It's okay. I'm just gonna check.
Oh no, we can't because that's money.
Yep, I'm recording. So
Hindi nagsasalita naman.
it's okay. Kita ko naman. Gusto mo yung ano mo na lang? Yung sa'yo na lang.
Ito na.
Gusto mo? Yung sa'yo na lang.
It's
Patay
not
mo.
really saying.
Yeah, patay mo sa'yo.
Yan na, Dad.
Oh. Kasi hindi talaga nagsasalita pala. Ano to?
Yield on
Yield?
flashing yellow light.
So means I can
Go,
I
Dad.
can
Kasi
go?
hindi naman pag-go yun, no?
Akalito naman yung akalito naman yun. Ng ano.
Does that say yield? Yeah.
Yield.
Did we just commit a crime?
It said yield, Clyde. You just look at if there's any cars and if there's not, then you go.
Okay.
Yield.
Tama ba yung ginawa natin?
Ewan ko.
Dad,
Ewan ko, mami. Ikaw mag-drive, mami.
mali ka na naman.
Ay, putik naman, oh.
Sabi ko kasi sa'yo.
I told you, it doesn't say anything.
Yung ano mo na lang. Gusto mo? Yung sa'yo na lang?
Gusto ko sa computer.
Kasi hindi sa salita to eh.
Hindi ka kasi nagpe-pay attention. Sabi ko kasi mag-pay attention ka.
Di attention nga, pero hindi nagsasalita.
Sabi mo kanina okay lang. Okay, good night. Traffic na ngayon, no? Kanina hindi traffic. U-turn ka dyan.
Head north on North Stephanie Street toward Wigwam Parkway,
Ito, tanggalin
then
mo.
make a U-turn at Wigwam Parkway.
Lagi mo ito.
Make a U-turn at Wigwam Parkway. In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to take the ramp to I-215 West. In 800 feet, use the right 2 lanes to take the ramp to I-215 West. Use the right 2 lanes to take the ramp to I-215 West. In a quarter mile, merge onto I-215 West.
No turn on red. Okay.
Wala naman nakalagay na no turn on red doon eh.
Oh yeah, nakalagay lang mag-yield.
Yield ka lang sa yellow sign.
Ano yun? Puro flashing lang?
Meron siguro yun, pwede ka mag-yield or pwede ka mag-antay ng green talaga.
Oo.
Parang ganun. Antay ka ng green light.
Continue on I-215 West for 9 miles.
$102 na ngayon. Hindi, pababa na lang pababa yung ano. Hindi na masyadong mainit. Itong oras yata maganda mag ano, mamasyal daw sa downtown kasi madami mga ano na ilaw. Yeah. Saka yung show pag ng tubig, may ilaw-ilaw yun, di ba, pag gabi. Ang ganda tingnan. Kaysa sa umaga ka pumunta.
I got them.
Dito na kami guys sa downtown ng Las Vegas. Mag-ikot-ikot kami ngayon. Punta kami doon sa waterfront, yung parang yung tubig na sumasayaw, maganda. May show. Sumasabay siya sa music. Maganda siya. Ano, tourist spot dito sa Las Vegas. Oh, may Apple. Ano ba yung tawag niya?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Did you say Apple
Apple
Tower?
Tower. Planet Hollywood. Look at that, kuya. It's blue. The building is blue.
I'd rather stay in San Fernando.
It's nice here, but
It's a lot.
it's nice to just visit, but not to live.
Saan ito papuntahan?
Baba.
What to? Casino. Anong floor?
Maybe anong floor to?
You can't
Maybe
exit
two.
during here.
Two.
You can't exit here?
It said for exit, do not use elevator.
That's what I said.
That's for fire emergencies.
No, it literally said that.
Two. Maybe we can just. Yeah.
Whatever, we can work out. I'll take these stairs.
Hindi namin alam paano papunta doon sa exit. Try natin to. Oh.
It's a casino.
This. Huh? Did you say that? What's the sign said? Okay, where's the exit?
Seats, not normally. Go look, get back at it.
Okay, let's go check the
Get there. Let's go.
sign. Oh.
Dito pa tayo kasi second floor to.
Hmm.
Parking lot pa to.
So how to exit?
I just want to stay in the apartment. But there's
What's wrong with you? No, stop it. Ang sabi?
You could just go down.
So he says casino?
He's going up. He's going up.
No, I mean the exit. I'm talking about the exit.
I don't know.
Di mo alam?
They said that down is the exit, and they also have kids with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the casino, you're gonna go out.
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, you can go out to the casino because they're gonna say, hey, you can enter here. We're just gonna ask them like, hey, where's the going outside exit? They're gonna say, oh, okay, just go here. They're not gonna say like,
You say okay.
yeah, ako na magsabi.
Let's go.
Sige.
Where's the motor?
Because there's no way that there's no exit. What's the point of the parking space? Let's go. Casino. Got it. Casino. Tayo tayo ng casino. Mga manalo tayo dun. Manalo tayo ng $1,000. Ooh. Bless you. Let's go. Here. Come here. Huh?
We go down there?
No. Baby, that's the one that we came earlier. Some of you. Told you. Look, see? See, the exit's right here. See, this one here. Look, exit. Yeah, no, this is an exit. Going up. Going outside. Or this one or the other side? It's a parking.
Bro, oh my god.
I think right there. Yeah, that's right here. No, diligaw kami guys. What the? Picture ka dito, bebe. It's a bird. Yeah, picture ka, bebe. Stand up there. Picture mo si bebe.
Where do you guys want there? Here? Right here. Right here.
Bebe, nasaan ba yung balabas?
Wala, doon yata.
Ha? Let's go. Check natin dito. Check natin dito. Yeah. Nahanap namin yung exit. Exit ng casino. more. I think that's it. Whoa, that's it.
Yeah, we're going now?
Yun lang yun? Wala na?
There's gonna be more.
It's more?
Yeah.
You need to wait more? Yeah, ito tayo.
Yeah, you do that. You should wear your backpack the other way.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want to take picture anymore with the people. Kasi nila, tour ka mo yan, tour.
I like the picture.
Saan yan? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng show.
Press like this.
Pero every 15 minutes yata guys, meron pa rin 15 minutes meron ulit. Guys, sa famous na Las Vegas sign. May pila. Papapicture lang kami dito saglit and then uwi na sa ano. Ha? Pero yung haba ng pila. It's okay. Oh, there's an airport. Pila muna kami. Haba ng pila. Ha?
Bagal mo maglakad.
Okay lang. It's okay. Ha? Yeah, we're gonna go. After this.
Gusto ko pa pumunta talaga doon sa gitna o dito lang ako?
Ito sa gitna talaga. Picture tayo.
Di ba nga, dyan lang ako? Kasi ang haba pa nito dad eh.
Pwede rin doon sa gilid.
You wanna be doing that? Yeah, or just I don't know.
Saglit lang naman yan, mami. Yan o, saglit lang yan.
Ang iba nagalisan na.
Yan, nagalisan ng iba. Saglit lang yan. Saglit lang yan. Ayun. Harley Davidson. May bayad, mami? Yeah, mayroon.
Ano ba?
Yeah. Papapicture ka tapos babayaran mo yata.
Hindi na call edit.
Ha?
Tingin ako.
Pero siguro maganda naman siguro yung kuha.
Hindi tayo yung nagpipicture.
May mga tao doon, oh, yung nakapayong, tsaka yung nakatayo. Yan, siya yan, sila yan. Nagbabayad ka. Yeah.
Kung gusto mo lang yata.
Ha?
Kung gusto mo lang.
Hindi. Yeah, parang ginawa na lang business yan. Gusto mo doon na sa gilid? Yeah, you know, I think it's a government, like a government here. Gusto mo doon na lang tayo? Sige ma? Ha? Sa gilid?
Wait, dati nang muna ka mababayad.
Oo, tignan. Tingnan lang natin kung may bayad.
Siguro kung pamilya kayo.
Oo. Pero okay lang siguro kung pag mga 20 lang. Nami, pang $20 okay. That's okay because we're just gonna do it one time. And then, I don't know when we're gonna come back here again.
Yung motor.
Baho, no? Mas maganda siguro mami doon na tanungin natin na magkano.
gonna be
Ha?
so long.
Gusto mo mag-ano tayo doon? Mag-picture tayo sa gilid? Na lang?
Yeah, pwede rin. Lahat naman yung manong mo.
Ano?
Bawal yun eh. Kasama siya sa ano,
Yeah.
sa view. Here? Okay. Dad,
Ha?
gusto na tayo, mag-asa na tayo sa Samuan.
Hindi, dito na lang mami.
Can we just go?
Hey, stop. We're gonna go after this, guys.
It took like 24 hours.
Dito na lang, mag-aas na lang tayo. Tara. Gusto mo? Gusto mo mag-aas na lang tayo? Let's go?
Just over there.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Tara, mabilis na. Tara, mantara mahaba ng pila. Saan yung picture mo, mami? Gusto mo i-ask? Mag-ask ako? I can take you guys picture. Yeah. You don't want the trophy?
Can we take a picture of all of you guys?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Moses' babies.
Okay, ready? One. Hold on, you can see that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can you guys take a picture?
Yeah, I got
Come
it. Go ahead, baby.
here.
I got it.
Thank you, guys. Mami, get the picture.
Thank you. Would you mind taking a picture of our girls?
A little bit.
Yeah, that way.
All right. Thank you.
Take your pictures.
Oh, that's good. Thank you, man.
I can take another one.
Yeah. Yeah. Tara na. Ang ganda ba?
Yeah, ang ganda.
Tingin.
Maganda siya mag-picture.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, in the car. It's too bright. You can see it.
Ayos.
Hey, walk properly. Walk like this.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ano. Hindi mo na kailangan. Nakatsinelas
Baby,
kasi.
our slippers.
Nakatsinelas kasi kayo. Di, ano, tapos agad. Ganun lang pala yun. May bayad pala yung ano dyan.
Hindi pa magpa-picture kaya ito dun sa ano, may bayan.
Yeah, pero di ko alam na may bayad pala. Yan. Uy, ang galing. Ha?
It's a moped.
Yeah.
I want a moped.
That's cool.
Watch
Watch out.
outside, watch outside.
Wait for it. Okay, can go. Ganun pala yung technique mo doon, mami, next time.
Yeah.
Gusto mo pa picture? Yeah. Tapos, okay, kami naman. Di ba kanina, yung manang nag-alok? Sabi niya, right, baby? That's the technique. Hey, you wanna get some picture? Okay. And then, ask them after. That's what the other lady asked me. Yeah. Baby. That's cool. Where? Have a picture there. Daming tao, guys. Grabe.
It's hot.
Let's go. Kaya technique dito, guys. Next time pag pumunta kayo,
Yeah, look at the
punta lang kayo doon sa gilid kasi may bayad pala yung sa gitna mismo.
May bayad ba?
Tapos, yeah, may bayad. And then,
Ano ba? Nag-abot silang pera?
yeah, may bayad. And then, magpa-picture lang kayo sa gilid. And then, kung mayroong mga tao doon, sabihin nyo lang na gusto nila mag-ask ka kung gusto nila magpa-picture. Picturean mo, tapos pagkatapos i-ask mo rin sila na picturean kayo. Mas mabilis kasi ang haba ng pila. Yan pala yung technique.
Alam ko na yung technique.
Alam ko na yung technique, guys. Ganun. Yun
Alam ko
ang...
na yung dad, di ko lang sinabi sa'yo.
Yeah. Hindi mo sinabi sa'yo. Hindi mo sinabi kanina.
Hindi naman tayo na...
Ha?
Hindi naman tayo pamilya na matagal.
Yeah. Nag-ask sa akin yung manang kanina. Sabi ko, hindi kasi hindi naman ako kasama. Kailangan pipicturean. Sabi niya. Yes.